gonna have a wonderful day today. Look, it's amazing, but I can't help but shake the feeling that we're missing someone. Yeah, I don't agree with you on that. It's strange, right? Maybe they're taking a break? No, I mean it is rather windy, but they wouldn't miss a day like this. Not for the world. Exactly, I mean, like, it's not like the pigs from up here, so where are they? Perhaps they are taking a break. That's strange. Strange indeed. Well, if you excuse me, I'm gonna go enjoy the sun while we got it. Slide, anyone? Hey, that looks like fun. Well, I suppose we can relax for a bit, especially considering this broke. I'm very upset over that, but we can relax. Alright. Relaxing day in the sun. I was expecting to bounce more. Not complain. Let's just enjoy this day while it lasts, right, guys? Look at me, I'm on the throne. Yeah. For the last time, it's not a throne, it's my chair. Can you please get down from there? What? Can't I enjoy this nice new throne like I'm enjoying my nice new crown? What do you mean a new crown? You're wearing the same crown you always wear. Oh, no, I'm wearing the new crown. How, where did you get that? What? It's beautiful, isn't it? Oh. It fell off. Oh, well, I still love it. It's beautiful and it's all mine. You have a crown. Well, do you? No, I didn't think so. Get back on my head. There we go, perfect. So, boss, I hate to sound rude, but what exactly are we gonna go find the birds again? Portugal. Well, besides this mumbling idiot, I actually haven't been able to think of any plans this time. Mostly because I've realized something. Okay, what do you realize now? Well, the current way we're doing things, we never seem to win anything. Like anything at all. You mean the whole try and attack them from one side thing that we've been doing for the last, 15 episodes? Yeah, it just doesn't seem to be working that well, does it? No, it works perfect. Of course it doesn't. Why would it work in the first place? We're attacking head on. Exactly. Maybe we need to change our plans, change how we do things, and maybe a little change of heart. Come with me. Right. You see, I think our problem is we don't seem like villains, while most importantly, I don't seem like a villain. So with the help of my new creation, it'll change all of that. Introducing the Villain Fire 5000. Name pending. It's a microwave. No. This is the Villain Fire 5000. But it only works on me, so maybe a new name is needed. What it'll do, it'll perform upgrades to my wonderful suit to make me sound more villainous. Isn't this a bit overkill? I mean, all you need to do is just get like a voice changer or something. Sense. Now observe. Aerial Piggy, can you activate the machine? This is Aerial Piggy, activating the machine. Perfect. Now all I need to do is sit in here for just the right amount of time. And it'll work. Sounds easy, right? Are you sure about this? You're not just going to be burnt alive? Totally positive. Now shut that door. Alright, no funeral now. Now set the time. And make sure you do it enough. It only should be 3.5 minutes. I'm going to watch a pig's funeral. Oh, look, he's going to die. It's not my fault. Right, are we done yet? Aha! Oh. Well, this is bizarre. New voice. Have to work on it. I don't particularly like it, but it's a start. What exactly did this thing do? Well, besides some trivial upgrades, it's given me this new deep voice. I'm not sure I like it. What do you think about it? Yeah, the voice needs some works, but why did you need this upgrade again? Well, if all goes according to plan, and if Aerial Piggy was being smart, then this should be the definitive Pork Vader, being the strongest, evilest, and smartest I ever have and ever will be. Is that laughter really necessary? Oh, can I drown my new voice a little? I mean, imagine you just getting a slightly deeper, more manly voice. You gotta try it out. It's fun. I'm good with my own voice, thank you. So, I'm gonna head back. Let me know when you've sorted all the kinks out. Oh, I will. Believe me, I will. Yeah, this footy's in the bed. What a strange turn of events.
Has anyone noticed? We haven't gone on the mission yet, and I'm bored.
I know it's that. What's going on? Somebody ought to be on a mission by now.
For the last time, can you stop talking like that?
Why? It's what I've always talked like. Right? I've always talked like this.
You're bad news, but you've never talked like that.
But this is my normal voice. You guys are just all weird.
Hell, this would surely be a coward's dream, never going into battle. As someone who definitely isn't a coward, oh no. I say, yes, they'd like that. They would like that indeed. Who are you?
Oh, hey man, I'm that one helicopter pig. Well, my helicopter broke and my shades, seriously, they snapped in half, man. So now I'm just a sad old pig with nowhere to go.
Hey, Porkchop, is this your long-lost brother or anything?
What?
No, never seen him before in my life.
That's what I've been saying, man. I'm the cool pig. I lost all my cool stuff, so now I'm just sad.
You know what? We don't need sadness in here, so... You know what?
Away with you.
Ta-ta. All these sad people all the time. It's like a pandemic or something.
Everyone, I have an important announcement to make. I'm not dead, but it's the second most important announcement.
Really, what is it, though? Huh? What is it, my old buddy?
What is it now?
Huh?
Okay. So, you may not know this, but I have a brother. And he also likes to, he doesn't like to die that much, but guess what? He's here.
I never knew you had a brother.
Ah, yes I did, and he's the nicest brother you could ever have. Introduce yourself, big bro.
Greetings, my friends. I am Little Pork's little brother. Some call me Classy Pork.
Classy Pork.
Really? You even have a top hat.
Aha, yes, you say that. I am in the current procedures of finding a top hat as we speak, yes. Ho, brother, you're so funny. Anyway, my brother's gonna come here and he's gonna join us. Do stuff, get the eggs. Yes, while I was talking to my lovely little brother about what he was doing with his life, he said about how he was working with the pig army. I thought to myself, well, instead of doing nothing and my acting career is going absolutely nowhere, why not join in on this wonderful experience? And yes, I'm on my way of finding a top hat. Don't you worry. Now, you can't tell us apart, so I need one. Right, and how do we know the pocket is going to be okay with this? Yeah. Think about that. Well, I'm sure he'll be fine with it.
Oh, don't worry. I'll be absolutely fine with it.
Wait,
Wait, what was that? Huh? Wait, what? Oh, minions, one and all. Hello! I'm sure you've realized by now that I have changed my voice. Okay, let's talk about it. Yes, after all this time, I finally changed my voice to this more deeper and menacing one. But don't worry, I can still do other voices as well. But when I need to get serious, I can just go real deep. But I'm still the same guy, don't worry.
Boss, I hate to ask, but why did you change your voice? Your own voice was fine.
Why, thank you for the compliment, Porkins, but it just wasn't working out for me. I don't think I was threatening enough, so I am just doing a trial run of this voice anyway. We still are working it all out. Isn't that right, Ariel Piggy?
Ariel Piggy, can confirm, he is speaking the truth.
Besides, all I need to do is press this button inside my suit,
And my regular voice comes back, so it's not like I'm gone forever.
but heed not with this new voice. I will lead a new era of darkness upon the bird kind, and we pigs will be stronger than we've ever been before.
much. No, perfect. Right then. We have some planning to do, my fellow pigs. For today, we are changing, but tomorrow we get the eggs, and then next Tuesday, the world, and then next Friday, the moon! We're not getting the moon.
My brother is every day like this. Pretty much, yeah. I'm going to enjoy this place. Going to enjoy it very much. That's a bit creepy, actually. I shouldn't do that. Apologies. More traditional way to end the credits, so how about I say my life story? It all started around 35 years ago when I was but a little piggy. This little piggy had an aspiration to become a voice actor. Oh yes, he did. Ever since he watched those cartoons where he was a kid, he was mesmerized by them. That so much personality could be brought out by just a voice. And, where are you going? Come back. Don't fade to black. Oh. They're gone. I guess I'll say my life story now. Goodbye. Yes, I know, that was a pretty bad way to end, but it's just to come. I'm going to give you a quick update for everyone at home. We are changing how we're going to be doing Angry Plush Birds. We're going to move away from the level structure for a bit. Hopefully get some better episodes out of it, so stay tuned. It might work, it might not. Might choke back, might not. Just know, we piggies are up to something. We always are. Oh, I forgot to say goodbye. Bye! Oh, yes, I'm coming.
Stormtrooper. Not Stormtrooper, he's a pork trooper.
Exactly. That's why we need to rethink our strategies, rethink how we do stuff, and maybe a little change of heart. Come with me.
Okay.